Oh god, half of my face was eaten. I go like this, my face is. It's a beautiful view outside. It's a beautiful day today. Anyways, that's not even what the video is about. It's about I have zombie. You know those things that grow in water? Well, that's what those are. And they're growing. It's been a day, that's why they're kind of big. And they were originally like, this rock's like a little bit smaller than them. And it was literally the size of this rock. And oh, I almost smashed my camera when I juggled it up like that. I almost hit the camera. Anyways. Oh. Hi, Dad.
There you go.
You got the gear kit?
Yes, your Uncle Danny's gonna put it back on the car so you don't lose any piece of your road.
Look at the kitty!
Put it back up there.
Look at the kitty!
Now I gotta go get some snails somewhere else.
Kitty! It's Catzilla! Daddy, it's Catzilla! Right here. She's camera shy. I have my tablet. My cat's camera shy. Because I have my camera out and then she's shy. Cat, show the face. Show the face to the camera. What? The timer thing's being weird. There. Spent 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Meow, meow. Wait. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. The cat headbutted the camera. La, la. Look, it's Sally, the salamander. Sally Salamander. That's Sally. But you're a good girl. You're a good girl. There's Tom and Billy and Jerry. That's what we named our rats right there. The rats. I woke them up. I woke my rats up. It's kind of dark over here. Anyways, inside of this cage is the rats. The rats. And there's baby. She's also really camera shy. She wants to eat the camera. She's so camera shy. Baby. There's a fan over here. Ow, my tummy hurts. What the frig? Skin is coming off my tummy for some reason. I think I have sunburn on my stomach or something. That's really weird. Nice. Like, see right there, it's like skin's coming off me. Over my tummy. It's weird. Hi. Hi, baby. Baby. Wait, there's 4 B's in baby. 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 Actually, there's 5. Baby. My face is being eaten by the window. Baby. My face is being eaten off. Oh god, I'm going upside down. Hi. I'm only showing half of my face. The frig, the camera's upside down. What? What the? Yay, it works now, finally. It broke again. What the? What? Okay. Did you take the big box out of there? That big box that's stacked up?
I don't know.
That has comic books on top? Because that's like taking up all of the space in my room. Yay! My bed's made. Then I have over there. I hid my money in there. Right there. This poop is my money. I originally had it under the bear, but can't get it under there. I'll hide my money with me. Ugh. This is comfortable. Oh God, the bed break. The toxin. The toxin's all you see. The toxin. The toxin. With big floppy ears. I don't know why this toxin has big floppy ears, but it does. Hey guys. I cannot see my podcast. Hi guys. We're gonna be doing another room tour in a little bit. For real, actually, I am. I put the dachshund back. There go dachshund. The dog. I also have that poster, a clock, another poster, a Mario thing with my name, that, my TV, a Max tow truck, a candy machine down there. It's all hidden. A piñata! Another piñata! Right there! Piñata, the shark! Oh God! It's gnawing on my face! It's gnawing on my face! It's Jaws! Ah, ow! Actually hurt. Then I got my gaming chair. My go gaming chair. Go gaming chair. Oh God, I'm ruining my poster. Jeez, put my poster right there, my Call of Duty poster. I've had that poster for a really long time. Ever since I was like 5 or so. Since 5 is when I was. Wait, actually no. Well, Call of Duty Ghost didn't come out when I was 5. I think it came out when I was like 7 actually. So yeah, I was like 7. So when they came out, that's when I got the poster. When I was 7, I got it. I got it with the game. I got the poster with the game. I don't know why I'm wasting all the time. Anyways, why did I put my hair back? I look weird. Hard. I'm doing my hair now. Boogie shark. Perfect. Party clothes. Got party glasses. Yeah, I'm just gonna dress in a random